Ya yella de be de boy Hamaya Himaya. Okay, I'm being a bit dramatic there, but in this video I do want to show you and tell you about how this curl enhancer gel has literally changed up my curly hair routine forever. Let's get into it. Hey world, welcome back to my channel and another video as I continue my beginner's curly hair journey. And of course, before we get started, just want to talk about my cocktail of the day. Have a nice glass of Prosecco, the perfect complement to a snowy weekend that we're experiencing here in Seattle right now. Let's get into the video. So today I want to talk about this Ampro Pro Style Curl Enhancer Gel. It has literally changed up my curly hair routine. And I'm just loving the results. My mother told me about it recently when I was visiting her. Aww. And I was kind of skeptical at first, I will admit, but then I tried it on my hair when I was visiting her, and I just loved the results. Just wanted to take a moment to really celebrate this great curl day that I am having today. Maybe it's the Cali weather, I'm not sure. Ashe. I couldn't wait to get home and get my own gel. I ordered it on Amazon. I'll definitely put the products down in the description below, but it has really given my hair a look of hydration that I really had been looking for during this journey of mine with my curly hair. And I use it to really just give it that really hydrated look, that really healthy look. I think it's done wonders, and I'm excited to show you how I use it. It's like one of the final products that I put on my hair before I diffuse it or before I just let it air dry. So come along. I'm just fresh out of the shower, so my hair is really wet. I'll take you through the curly hair routine that I'm doing now, and again show you how I use this gel to just really give my curls a really defined and hydrated look. Of course, the first thing I'm going to do is put some castor oil in my hair. If you've been following my videos so far, you will know that I have high porosity hair. So it's important, if you have high porosity hair, to go ahead and put the oil in your hair while your hair is wet. It just kind of locks in all of that moisture there. I give my hair a nice scalp massage when I put in this oil so that the oil gets onto my scalp as well. And I really run my fingers through my hair just to make sure that it's getting a nice coating of this castor oil. I really love this oil. It's really fresh. I think it's organic. I got it, yep, it's organic. I got it off of Amazon, and I really enjoyed using this product. So after that, I'm using the Mielle Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. This is one of my go-to products that I use. It's a very heavy product that I put in, and it kind of weighs down my curls, which I like. As you can see, my hair is still kind of in that beginning stage. It's getting a bit longer, but it's still fairly short, and my curls don't hang as much as I want just yet. So I definitely use this product to help weigh it down, and it gives my hair that really good curly look that I love. Also, it smells really good, so I love using this. I am going to put a little bit of more water into my hair just because it's dried a little bit, just a little bit since I got out of the shower and got dressed in order to do this video. So, of course, you want your hair really, really wet as you put your product in, just so your curls really stick out and the product just adheres to them and really enhances them. And I know that a lot of folks, if you watched my first curly hair routine video, I know a lot of folks, and I've seen on here, a lot of folks adopted the Shingling Method in terms of putting in their leave-in conditioner and such, and the gel. I haven't quite done it yet. Again, this is a beginner's journey for me, and I haven't been comfortable just yet using the Shingling Method, just because I'm not really good at separating my hair as you do the Shingling Method. Again, if you have some suggestions for me on how to section my hair and separate it, I would love it if you comment it down below and give me some good tips on that. I hope to do that, a video on that perhaps pretty soon here. So I get a nice good coating of this Miel leave-in conditioner in it. Again, it's really heavy. You can see it's on my hair there, which is great. So when I put in my leave-in conditioner, I definitely just let it go around my curls, put a really good amount in the hair. And you can see my curls are really loving it. So next up, what I do is I use some Eco Style. This is really popular among a lot of folks, and I really love it as well. So then I put some of this Eco Style in there. And I'm just realizing I forgot to put in a leave-in treatment. I use the leave-in treatment to help with my detangling. It helps prevent tangling in my hair. So I use a Shea Moisture one. I forgot to put that in here. But yes, definitely use that in your curly hair routine. It really, really helps. I have noticed a difference since I started using the product. When I go to condition my hair and detangle my hair every Sunday, I've really noticed a difference. So next up in this routine, I'm definitely using my gel, the Eco Style. So again, I put a really good amount. Okay, there we go. Put a little bit more gel. And I am going to diffuse my hair, so I'm not really worried about the conditioner still showing up in my hair white. That will go away as your hair dries or when you diffuse it. So at this point is when I start to put in the Ampro Pro Style Gel. Just a little bit more about this activator gel. It is free of alcohol, parabens, and proteins and dyes, and it is enriched with aloe vera and olive oil. Again, I really put this in at the end of my curly hair routine process. It just really, from my usage, it just really gives my hair a nice, really hydrated and wet look, which is what I kind of go for when I wear my curls out. So here we go, just put a really generous amount in your hair. Again, a nice little shake of the hair goes really well. By the way, I did get a trim like 2 weeks ago, and I have really loved how it has helped my hair look really great. I was kind of scared to do it because I've been growing my hair literally for a year now, and so anytime someone tells you that you need a trimming or something like that, it's kind of scary because I want that length. I want my hair to continue growing, and I definitely have seen the results of getting a trim and how healthy it gets your hair. So back to the gel. So yeah, there we go. So I got my hair nicely gelled. I got the leave-in conditioner in it. Again, I'm going to go ahead and diffuse in this video just so you can see the results really quickly. And so it's as simple as that. So I'm going to go ahead and diffuse my hair, and then you'll continue to see how this gel really helps my hair just really stick out and the curls look really defined and hydrated. And by the way, when I am diffusing my hair, sometimes I do put a little more water in my hair just to get rid of some of that leave-in conditioner that may still be white in my hair. So that's a really good pro tip for you in case you haven't done that before. I also put just a little bit more of the gel. As you can see, my hair is looking really great as it's drying. I'm gonna diffuse it just a little bit more here. Okay, so I'm done diffusing my hair. As you can see, my hair, it really has that hydrated look. My curls are really defined now. My hair's just a little bit wet still, but you really get the gist, and you can really see how this gel really helps to enhance my hair. I really have loved it. I'm definitely going to continue using it in my curly hair routine. Also, I forgot to mention at the top of this video that another thing that I really like about this product is it stays in your hair too. This is a video I recorded the other day, the other morning when I woke up and took my hair out of my bonnet. You can see that it still was looking very hydrated and really healthy. So that's what I really love about this gel. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have some great results with this gel as well. If you used it before or you use it in your curly hair routine, feel free to comment down below and tell me how you use it in your routine and how it's helped you as well. Also, I would love some product ideas from you and suggestions, so comment down below with those as well as I continue with this curly hair journey of mine. Thank you so much for tuning in, and remember, cheers to great curls and great cocktails.